NIID reinvented the compact tech sling with Radiant One, trusted by over 500,000 creators, explorers, and urban nomads since its debut in 2019. But one size no longer fits all. That's why we created Radiant 2, an all-purpose tech sling, reimagined with a modular system to adapt, evolve, and carry every dimension of your life, unlocking 50% more storage space without added bulk. Thoughtfully organized to fit all your on-the-go entertainments and work essentials, from tech gear to creative tools that elevate your productivity. We've re-engineered our signature middle compartment with dual reinforced mesh side pockets. Easily fit your water bottle, tripod, or umbrella without compromising internal space. Every essential stays secure and accessible on the move. The Radiant 2 features a wider ergonomic strap with soft padding for all-day wear. The mag snap buckle unlocks instantly with a pinch and twist motion. Rapid adjustment system allows you to slide to reposition the sling in seconds, access gear effortlessly, or retract seamlessly to streamlined rider load. Designed for security and ease, the discreet back pocket offers safe storage for valuables, keeping them protected yet instantly accessible. We evolved beyond one-size-fits-all with adaptive modular design. Reimagine the ultra-slim chest pack for travel essentials via the Glide Track system. Detach the wing pocket, your quick access hub for daily essentials. Pair it seamlessly with the chest pack, creating a compact tech-ready companion. Instantly reconfigure the Radiant 2 and its modules to match your exact needs. Radiant 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution for multi-hyphenates who refuse to compromise. Back our project today and become part of a community redefining everyday carry.